It's Fast On Market Update from me, Nigel Green, CEO of De Vere. As Tesla takes a tumble, GameStop makes a comeback. What's happening in the stock market? Well, it's cautiously optimistic. People are concerned about inflation. Is it stickier than expected? I actually think it is. What does it mean? That means higher for longer. In other words, if you're investing in fixed, 10-year rates are already 4.5%. It means that you're going to have an era where you've got higher inflation and higher interest rates. So that may affect whether you invest into particular companies. So where should you invest right now? Well, there is technology, and you see that yesterday Nvidia continued to perform. You see as well that Meta has got so many customers around the world. Again, that's a company, and both of these companies gaining from AI. Expect those companies to continue to grow. When we look at Tesla, the reason that they fell was that their sales are lower than expected. And of course, when interest rates are high, people borrow less money to buy cars. There's less excess money in the market, and that affects companies where it's discretionary. In other words, you have a choice of whether to buy or not. So avoid those companies if you can. Tesla on the longer term, of course, because of AI, can be super successful. But in the short term, it's going to sell less cars just simply because interest rates are higher. GameStop's make a comeback. You've got Roaring Katie. He's back in play, making posts. What's happening? Well, we'll see what happens over the next few weeks. But of course, that meme stock has made many people lots of money and lost lots of people money. I'd always say with caution, that's something that's a gamble, fun gamble, but nevertheless, it's a gamble if you're investing. If you look at the financial industry, then it's in a sweet spot. You've got interest rates high enough so that they can make a profit. You're in a situation whereby, however, the economy is still strong, so they're not ending up with massive debts. As Donald Trump takes over in just 15 days or so, you'll see that he wants to deregulate, or if you like, get rid of some of the red tape. That's good for the financial industry. You'll see energy. AI, of course, uses so much energy. That's again something that has an opportunity, and oil prices yesterday went up 2%. You've got a situation in the world where it's likely that energy is going to continue to do well. Could well be the year of crypto. Again, it's a speculative investment, but I own crypto. And of course, it could be that it's Bitcoin and Ethereum that continue to dominate, but don't rule out XRP and other tokens that potentially can again make good returns, but a small percentage of your portfolio, unless you're a high risk investor. I also look at other things and realize that with fixed yields so high, it's worth having a percentage in a good corporate bond fund that can be making you 7-8% per annum with a lower risk, lower volatility. Nice to have some of your money diversified to make sure that you've got financial security. That's your update. I'll keep them regular, once a week. If you're on my YouTube channel, you'll get a good financial update so you know what's going in the market and where to invest to make